Question 11, when a magnesium metal is added to iron 2 sulfate solution, the green solution gradually fades and a grey metal is formed. You're also given the equation for the metal displacement reaction where magnesium displaces iron from iron 2 sulfate solution. The question is asking you to determine which of the following statements is incorrect. So now, when you take a look at option A and option B, you see the terms oxidizing agent and the term reduce. So question 11 is dealing with redox, correct? And in order for you to attempt or solve redox questions, you need to calculate the oxidation states of magnesium and iron in this question, all right, in both the reactants and product. So we deal with magnesium metal first. This is an element. So the oxidation state of free element is 0, all right? And in the product magnesium sulfate, it is an ionic compound. The formula of magnesium ion is Mg2+, and the oxidation state will follow the charge of the ion. So the oxidation state of magnesium in magnesium sulfate is +2. 0 to +2 shows that the oxidation state has increased, and this means that magnesium is oxidized. And since itself is oxidized, magnesium is a reducing agent. Okay, now we take a look at the other reactant, FeSO4 iron sulfate. But what iron are we looking at? Are we looking at Fe2+ or are we looking at Fe3+? So now the formula of sulfate ion is SO4 2-, and there's only the ratio of cation to anion in the formula as shown is 1:1, correct? So this means that the charge of ion is 2+, and hence the oxidation state of iron in iron 2 sulfate is +2. Okay, and in the iron metal product, it is 0. So +2 to 0 shows that oxidation state of iron decreases. So this shows that FeSO4 is reduced. And since itself is reduced, FeSO4 is what we call an oxidizing agent. So with that knowledge, we take a look at the options given from A to D. Now, option A, iron 2 sulfate is the oxidizing agent. All right, FeSO4 is the oxidizing agent. We have just established that FeSO4 is the oxidizing agent. So option A is actually a true statement. We move on to option B. Iron 2 sulfate is reduced to iron metal. Correct? We have also established that as its oxidation state decrease from +2 to 0, right, it is reduced. Okay, so option B is also true. Okay, we jump to option D first. Oxidation state for iron decrease from +2 in FeSO4 to 0 in Fe. This is also true as well. So A, B, and D, they are eliminated since the question is asking for an incorrect statement. So why is the answer option C? Magnesium sulfate is the reducing agent. But if you realize, the reducing agent and oxidizing agents, they have to be reactants of the redox reaction. Magnesium sulfate is a product, right? So a product of a redox reaction cannot be a reducing agent for the redox reaction. Okay, so C is false by elimination. Answer for question 11 has to be option C.